Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be reviewing the Titan chainsaw from Superbox. So let's hop in. To begin with, I feel like the Titan chainsaw is really good at the desert map. It's small, it's not that big, and pretty overall small. And the smallness is gonna help because this is a very small unit. I mean, not very small, a very non-fast unit. You see how slow he is? So yeah, this map is gonna help a lot. So, for the difficulty, you see in my other video, I kind of tested that one out. So yeah, I'm gonna go with hard difficulty. So already, I don't really like him. Mostly because he's slow, but mostly because the small guys like here, you only can stomp on them. Like, you can't do anything else to them. I don't mind anything else for the small, the box. One thing I do like is how he swings. Look at that. I don't even know what that one was. He just got slow to the side. Ew, it saves time, I guess. Everything else I only can stop. And considering it's a chainsaw, you would think that it would be very powerful, but against Nightmare mode, it is utterly useless. I give a better chance of grabbing the ninja cameraman for that. Okay, now also, I feel like another problem is how far he gets yeeted back. I guess that's a problem with every Titan, so I've seen a lot of people get thrown in the back by like toilets from death mode and nightmare mode. But it is very annoying. And considering how far he is, you do something like that, you get yeeted that far. So yeah, that's not good. And I can even use the stamina. A Titan chainsaw, or buzzsaw, it's the fact that the scope has kind of long hair, which I hate, because like that's the only way I can attack these large turrets and small turrets. But it has a cooldown, so I can't exactly do it. Every round is I have to consider every At least I'm powerful and you can one-shot them in an instant. Also, what is the purpose of these buildings? We don't even have a wall. Nothing to do except for my wall. Oh, wait, did he add more options? I didn't add more options. I remember when this was such a good game. Like the sliding mechanic was fun. It was so good. But then they got copyrighted by the top team. Yeah, the team oh my god. Actually become a speaker now. These guys are good things, what are they eating? What happened? These are defensive. I can't train them. I can't train them. Titan smash! Yeah. By the way, all of these units are not unless you're trying to keep them, then yeah, it is very unlikely. Really, what is this laser thing? I don't see a laser on my back or nothing. It's just like this little thing. My body is way too big. What is a laser thing? Anyway, what is the last bullet? Hold up, guys. I have to respond to something. Oh yeah, sorry about the giant fan in the background. Yeah. Unfortunately, I can't edit that out. Okay, how's it doing? How's it doing? Where was this last toilet? Well, not toilet, but... Nothing about... Okay, the desert map? Yeah. It is very long. That's all I'm gonna say. So if you get yeeted back to a very large amount, you are not gonna fall off the edge. You're just gonna get yeeted back so far. This is a giant map. But for me, it's my hunting ground. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be the end of the review. So what I think about it, it can be improved in a lot of ways. But you literally have chainsaws and yet you punch. And that punch only affects the giant fish. So yeah, if any of the like creators are watching this, please fix like the chainsaw tightening. Anyway, that's gonna be the end. Bye guys.